having trouble with the volume button on your Samsung phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Basic troubleshooting steps. Check the phone case. First, try taking off the phone case and pressing the volume button multiple times. Clean the buttons. Ensure there is no dirt or debris blocking the volume button. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor issues. Update your software. Verify that your phone software is up to date. Next, let's look into potential hardware issues. Download the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. Find and tap on the diagnostics option. Sign in with your Samsung ID. If you don't have one, create a new account. Then, tap on the phone diagnostics option. After that, scroll up and tap on the button option. Follow the prompts to tap the volume up and volume down buttons within 10 seconds each, as well as the power button. If the test indicates that everything is normal, the hardware is fine. If not, you may need to visit a customer care center for further assistance. Now, let's move on to adjusting the volume without using physical buttons. Method 1. Through settings. First, go to the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and select Sound and Vibration. Tap on Volume and adjust the levels as needed. Method 2. Using Virtual Assistant menu. Go back to the Settings page. Scroll down to find Accessibility and then tap on it. Now, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. From here, toggle on the Assistant menu and allow it. You should now see the Virtual Assistant menu button on your screen, which you can move as desired. Tap on the menu. Then, select the volume icon. From there, you can adjust your media volume. That's it! Those are some solutions to help you troubleshoot and adjust the volume on your Samsung phone. I hope you found these steps useful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for sticking around and watching!